have is this is a baby in a sweater. The baby has a green block. Want to turn the page? Turn the page. Not ready yet? Okay. Yellow. Look. There's your favorite. There's bananas. Bananas. And there's a chick that says cheep, 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 cheep. You gonna turn the page? Next is blue. Ooh, there's a bird. Blue bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. It's a baby that just took a bath. The baby's in a towel. Want to turn the page? Carrots. Are you bored with this book? Say hi, Dada. Woo, stinky pants. Somebody has a poopy diaper. Hey, Georgie. Hey, good boy. What you got? Does that make a good sound? What's it sound like? It sounds like jingle, jingle, jingle. Can you put it back on there? Can you put it back on with the other ring? You're going to get another one. Dump them. Dump them. There you go. Whee! You got a blue one now. You just chilling? Chilling in our Rock Chalk Jayhawk shirt?